Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Usnia and today I'm gonna teach you Crimean Tatar language. I grew up in Crimea and Crimean Tatar is one of my native languages. Crimean Tatar is language spoken in Crimea and it belongs to the Turkic language family. By knowing Crimean Tatar, you can easily understand Turkish language as well. Crimean Tatars used Arabic script from 16th century until 1928. Then alphabet changed few times from Latin to Cyrillic, from Cyrillic to Latin, but from 1992 Crimean Tatars using Latin alphabet, but Cyrillic acceptable as well. So now let's get started with the lesson. And today's topic is Selamlaşuf, greetings.
Greetings. Selamlaşuf. Let's get started. Selam alaikum. Hello, which means peace to you. And another person replies, Alaikum salam, hello, which means peace to you too. How do you say hi in Crimean Tatar? Merhaba. Let's repeat. Selam alaikum. Alaikum salam. Merhaba. So, how would you ask, what is your name? Adınız ne? That is formal way to ask, or if you ask few people. Then, adın ne? What is your name? Informal way to ask. Benim adım Ruslan. My name is Ruslan. Let's repeat one more time. Adınız ne? Adın ne? Benim adım Ruslan. Kaç yaşındasın? How old are you? Ben 18 yaşındayım. I am 18 years old. Ben, it's I, 18, 18. Yaşındayım, years old. You can also notice the translation I made with the same color. Let's repeat one more time. Kaç yaşındasın? Ben 18 yaşındayım.
So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you have any questions or if would you like to have more lessons of Crimean Tatar, please write in the comments below. And see you next time, guys. Bye bye.